How to find a specific database in FindIt. This video will show you how to find a specific database on FindIt. First, sign in. Choose your login institution. Then enter your student or staff ID and password. Select Find Databases. This is a full list of all the databases available from the library. If you know the name of the database you are looking for, you can use the A to Z to limit the list. Or you can search for the database by name using the search box. Before trying another search, clear your existing search choice by clicking on Clear Filters. You can also search all databases in a particular subject area. Select the drop-down menu and find the subject area you are interested in. A subject list of databases contains all the databases that are relevant to the subject. The most important databases in the subject are listed at the top of the list and are identified as core databases. Other databases that are relevant are arranged by name in the A to Z list below the core databases. You will notice each database has a number of symbols next to it. These symbols are explained in the key. You may need to look for databases containing specific types of information. Use the All Database Types menu to select the type of information you require. Your faculty librarian is available to help support you in using any of the databases. If you need any further support, get in touch.